Alright, just a demonstration to show how this plug works. The factory designed some kind of slot system into the slot here. So when we insert, we need to put in the stub side first. Let me do a zoom in. So these sides need to be penetrated in first, then only we put in the slot. Sometimes it can get difficult to plug in. So yeah, so that's the technique to plug in. I'm not quite sure why they decide to put in this feature. I think it's easier if they don't put it there, but maybe it's a safety feature or something like that. So put in this stub here, this long thing here, put it in first, then only plug it in. Yeah. Alright, again. Alright, this is how to do it.